Find or read reviews that people are talking about Dreame SW800 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, with wall climbing capability. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Cordless and easy to use. Experience the convenience of cordless design and automatic cleaning. This smart and efficient robotic pool vacuum cleaner reduces your pool maintenance costs and frees your hands for more leisure time. Strong climbing capability and full cleaning. Effortlessly climb pool walls and effectively scrub the waterline with its 3 powerful motors. Enjoy comprehensive cleaning for the whole pool, including the bottom, walls, and waterline. More efficient and more coverage. Equipped with an advanced gyroscope, depth sensor, and intelligent algorithm, it intelligently navigates pools of different shapes, maximizing efficiency at minimal cost. Efficient cleaning ability. Its powerful scrubbing brushes and 180 micrometer filtration efficiently collect and trap debris, leaving you with a crystal clear pool to enjoy. Customized cleaning. Take control with the user-friendly app remote. Choose from various cleaning modes, schedule cleaning sessions, and personalize the cleaning experience to suit your needs. Long runtime. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions with its built-in large battery, providing an impressive 180 minutes of runtime with just 2.5 hours of charging time. Make pool cleaning a breeze with the Dreame SW800 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Dive into a cleaner and more enjoyable swimming experience. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.